For me, I definitely prefer homemade food more.
Me too, most of the time.
I think homemade food is usually fresher and much healthier.
My mom cooks it with super fresh ingredients.
That makes all the difference.
It also tastes more delicious and warm.
And I get to eat it with my whole family.
Fast food is sometimes so convenient.
And super fast. But it can definitely be unhealthy. So for me, homemade food is the best choice. I think homemade food is usually fresher and much healthier.
Yeah.
It's all about using those fresh ingredients, you know?
Yeah, and it always tastes more delicious and warm. Plus, you get to eat it with your family, which is the best part.
Fast food is sometimes super convenient and fast, for sure. But it can definitely be unhealthy if you eat it too often. So for me, homemade food is just the best choice.
Yeah, it makes you feel strong.
And so happy. Hey Ethan,
Hey Ethan, what's your favorite kind of food?
fast food or homemade? I think both fast food and homemade food have their place, but I definitely prefer homemade. It's just so much healthier and fresher, you know? My mom makes the most delicious rice with vegetables and fish. That food seriously makes me feel strong and gives me so much energy for my whole day.
Yeah, I totally get that. Fast food is super quick and convenient for those really busy days, though.
True, but it can be really unhealthy if you eat it too much, right?
Definitely. Our parents always say it's so important to eat healthy food to grow tall and strong.
Exactly. That's why I really try to eat homemade food most days.
It's all about making smart choices to stay healthy.
Yep, staying healthy helps us live our best lives. I think both fast food and homemade food have their place. I prefer homemade food because it's healthier and fresher. My mom makes delicious rice with vegetables and fish.
This food makes me feel strong and gives me energy. Fast food is quick and convenient for busy days, but it can be unhealthy.
It's important to eat healthy food to grow tall. I try to eat homemade food most days to stay healthy.